All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take off this old polish. It was like a red color I had on. I started this pedicure bath. It's with Dr. Teal's and this Pedi soap that my sister gave me. So I put that in there, put it with some warm water, started the bubbles. I got this D&D pedicure kit from a local beauty supply. It was like 40 something cent. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use that little scrubber, and I'm gonna add some type of like pedicure scrub to kind of go ahead and scrub my feet. So I'm going to show you guys a picture of that. It's called Pedi Scrub. It's all the same brand. It's just, different things. So you had the soap first. Now you have the scrub. So I'm going to go ahead and wet that a little bit, just so I can get a little type of, moisture. And then go ahead and scrub my feet with the scrub. The scrub is not hard, but it definitely gives some type of feel where you can get, the stuff off. Pedicure, that's next. This is like a sloughing lotion, so you use this for your legs and your feet. I only did my feet, so you put this on. It's supposed to help remove dead skin. And then I went ahead and added a clean bucket of water, so I dumped out the other water. Go ahead and took that sloughing lotion off, and then I went in with this pedicure lotion. This is like the last final step. It's for like dry skin. And like I said, it's all the same brand, so it came in a kit that my sister got from Sally's, I believe. And you just use all the the things in the kit, and it kind of tells you what you should do in the order. So go ahead and put that lotion in, and then once that's done, just rub that in really good. And then I'm gonna move on to like clipping my toenails. I probably should have did this in the beginning, but I totally forgot. I'm horrible at clipping my toenails, but we can't walk around with toenails that are scraping the floor, so we got to go ahead and just find our best way to clip them. I always end up with like they're like curved when I do it for some reason. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use this Believe Beauty from Dollar General. It's like just a regular nail polish that I got a couple weeks ago. I can't remember the name of the color, but I'm just gonna go ahead and polish my toes. I really don't polish my own toes. I typically go to the salon and I get gel because it lasts me a long time. But I'm just trying to save as much money as possible. So I'm trying to do my own upkeep and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and just continue polishing my nails, my toenails rather, and you guys will see the final product at the end. I'm not really like a fan of the color. I just think like I needed a top coat and I didn't put one on because the color can get really dull if you don't put any type of top coat on it to give it a shine, which you'll see. It looks good here, but it goes dull over if you